Overcoming addictive behaviors is a journey that involves rediscovering yourself, finding joy, and engaging in activities that provide a deep sense of fulfillment. This is where Smart Recovery's Vitally Absorbing Creative Interest, or VACI, comes into play. It's a way to rediscover passion and joy in life. When you're struggling with addictive behaviors, it's common to lose interest in things you once enjoyed. VACI encourages you to reconnect with old passions or discover new ones. Your VACI could be anything that you find deeply engaging and rewarding. It might be creative pursuits, physical activities, or even continuous learning. To find your VACI, consider what you're passionate about or what you've always wanted to try. Engaging in a VACI helps rebuild your identity beyond your addiction and provides a sense of achievement and self-worth. Moreover, it often creates opportunities for social engagement and contributing to a sense of community and support. To get the most benefit, try to make your VACI a regular activity. Getting fully absorbed into an interest or hobby can also help you avoid urges. Minutes and hours can just melt away. Recovery is about creating a life filled with activities that provide purpose and deep happiness. The VACI tool guides you towards experiences that enrich your life and nourish your spirit. Learn more at smartrecovery.org.